Hey there, this is Niels Beardfoot, and today we are building an apple bag from leather, and this one has nothing bitten off. As always, we start with the pattern, print out the pieces and cut them out, transfer it onto the leather and cut out that one too. We're using 2.5mm wedge tan leather here for all the pieces. After cutting everything, we want to bevel the edges to burnish them later on and then moisten everything for shaping and tooling. To make our time sewing everything easier, we take our breakfast bowl that has mostly a rounded shape and use it to pre-shape the pieces. Next we can start dyeing, and I like to use an airbrush and start with a yellow coat and then go within some areas in red, some areas with green to get this apple color. I messed up the color here a little bit, but that's completely fine. With some resist, I finish up all the leather pieces. If you also put it on the edges, you can use that moisture to burnish them. Now we can sew everything together. Note that the last part of these 6 base pieces will be the most difficult and has to be sewn from the bottom up. For the lid it's mostly the same, but before we close it completely we want to put on the leaves as well as the straps. And now we can sew it together. To close the straps I put on some pressure buttons. Next we want to moisten everything into its final shape, so soak them completely, take them out after a few minutes and then let them set for at least 30 minutes. To be honest, doesn't look like an apple really, more like a bead of some kind, but here's the trick, we want to press in this tip to get the apple shape. also bend the edges of the lid as well and make them fit exactly to the base piece. After everything dried completely, we can put the lid on the base. For the exact fitting closure, you want to mark the hole through the lid, punch the hole, and then add whatever closure you like. In my case, this is a Sam Brown rivet, and I put on some glue as screw locker. And this is it, your complete Apple bag. I hope you enjoyed this video and the process. Be sure to check out this pattern as well as all my others I got in my shop, linked down below. And see you guys next time. Have a great day.